What's up, everybody? It's Mr. Jenkins here with MGMClassicCars.com, Addison, Illinois. And today I'm bringing all of you this 1989 Chevrolet Camaro IROC Z. And this car, if you had one of these back in the day, you were the coolest kid on the block. And you still can be, because these things will never go out of style. Finished in this nice red paint. Looks just awesome. Your interior, really good shape. All original drivetrain. Got your AC, everything you'd ever need. It's got its few nicks on the paint here and there, but we'll have our guys touch that up. Overall, the paint is in really good shape though, other than that. This car is a time capsule and a half. T-top car. Makes it even cooler. Horn works. Upgraded sound system. Fully loaded, power everything. All the body panels in great shape. Car's never been in a fight. The glass, great shape. Overall, just a really nice car. Drives really, really nice. Whoever owned this car took really good care of it. Show you the interior here. Got your Z28 IROC Z badge there. Tilt wheel, cruise control. Odometer reads 68,000 miles. This thing is just awesome. Just got it in. Here you got your T-tops. Your back seat. Give you one more walk around here. If you're interested in this car and you want to see more photos of it, you could visit MGMClassicCars.com. Make sure to like our Facebook page, subscribe to us on YouTube, like this video. We appreciate all of you watching this video. If you'd like to reach us, our phone number is 847-848-1850. We offer special financing for these classic cars with great monthly payments. Shipping all over the United States. We are located in Addison, Illinois, and our business hours are 9 to 5 Monday through Friday, 10 to 2 on Saturday, all appointment only. I hope to see you all here at MGM Classic Cars. We have around 250 cars in stock. This is just one of our warehouses here. Thank you, everybody, for watching this video, and I hope to see all of you checking out this 1989 Chevrolet Camaro. Bye-bye, everyone, and have a great day.